What's going on, PowerStoked Nation? Welcome back to another video. I got something in my eye. Oh my god. How's it going, you guys? I know it's been a long time since we last talked, but I hope you guys are doing wonderful out there. It is quite a day. So for those of you that don't follow my Instagram, if you follow, you already know, but the 7.3 is officially gone. I sold the truck. Gone, done. Let me show you. All right, you guys, it's a little dark out here. So the PowerStroke is gone. All that remains is the monster oil leak here and the diff leak. God. And we're all set up for Halloween. We got big spooky skeleton here. So I've got a little bit of explaining to do as to why the PowerStroke is gone. If I'm being honest with you guys, I'm just gonna spill it right here. Here's the truth. So if I'm being honest with you guys, I stopped having fun doing YouTube. It had nothing to do with you guys. All of you are great out there, but just cranking out videos every week for something that I didn't enjoy anymore was very difficult. And that's why there would be these huge gaps in the videos, right? I mean, it would be months would go by and I wouldn't upload anything. And then I'd be like, oh, I'm gonna do this, because I would get this like random bout of energy one night and I'd order a bunch of parts and be like, okay, let's do this. Plus, stuff for that truck was very expensive and a pain in the butt to keep up with. And I feel like I did everything I could with that truck without doing like a major engine tear down or anything like that. So really, I just stopped having fun building it and doing anything with it, and I needed something new. So I finally got a couple things fixed on it, got it to a good spot, listed it for sale, and it was gone. It sold pretty quick within like a couple days of listing it, and somebody else is gonna be loving it. I linked them on my Instagram post. If you guys head over to Instagram, in the video of the truck leaving my driveway for the very last time that you saw it earlier in this video, you will find a link to where the truck has gone. So that leads me to right now. So I'm not gonna show you guys the new toy that's sitting right here in front of me in the garage yet. That is gonna be the next video. It has honestly reignited my love for YouTube. I'm so excited to share this with you. I've already done a little bit to it because it was disgusting. You will see everything in the next video, but it is honestly, I'm very excited about this, and I hope you guys are too. I do know it's gonna piss a lot of you guys off. A lot of you guys were here for a very specific reason, and that reason's gone. But I hope the ones that followed me for me stick around, and I appreciate you guys. If you're gonna unsubscribe, just know it's not hurting my feelings. You do it for you. If you don't wanna stick around, you don't wanna stick around. This is the new era of PowerStoked, and I'm very excited about it. It's gonna be awesome. It's something that's gonna be near and dear to my heart, something I've always wanted. I mean, ever since I could drive, I've wanted. Wasn't allowed to get one when I was 16. Now that I've got some money, I was allowed to get one. So, I mean, I'm an adult, right? So if you guys are unsubscribing, have a good one. Thank you for being here for the first era of PowerStoked in the truck. But this is gonna be the new era, and I hope you guys stick around for the next video. Those of you that are staying and are excited for me, I appreciate you more than anything. You guys are incredible. Hopefully you guys are doing wonderful out there. Hope you have a wonderful day, week, month, year. I'll see you guys in the next video.